Let's add a new node to our network using the A2A protocol. We have a simple server running locally with an agent that returns "Hello World" every time it is called. First, copy and paste the agent card's URL into this input box. That should return a JSON with the agent's information. Next, we need to confirm that the data mapping matches what we would expect. If everything looks good, then let's go ahead and create our new node. That's it. Now we can try out our new node. We'll send a message to confirm that everything works. Great, it works just fine, and we see that we are successfully communicating with our back-end server.